Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another power hour. These are one of my favorite ways to get my house clean in no time at all. All you have to do is set your timer for an hour, clean like a mad person, and hopefully you can cross off your to-do list within that time frame. So you're racing against the clock, you're racing against yourself, and in today's video, I'm also going to be racing against my friend Ashley, and this video is a collaboration with Ashley from the channel Fit Busy Bee, and Ashley and I have been friends now for a few months on YouTube here, and I absolutely love her channel. I think you guys will too. She does a ton of cleaning content, she does mommy vlogs, and she does a ton of fitspiration. So for busy moms that don't have time to be in the gym for like 2 hours every night, she does tons of workout videos, and she is just so incredibly inspiring. So make sure after you're done watching today's video, you go over to her channel and check out her power hour as well.
Hey there, my name is Ashley, also known as Fit Busy Bee here on YouTube, and I wanted to give a big shout out to Holly Christine for doing this collab with me. I was so excited to do this with her. She is such a sweetheart, and I really hope after you get done watching her power hour, you head on over to my channel for some more cleaning motivation. But if you have no idea who I am or what my channel consists of, I am a mother to 4 beautiful children, and I make content like cleaning motivation, cooking, recipes, health, fitness, pretty much anything to do with being a stay-at-home mom. So I really hope you head on over to my channel after you get done watching Holly's video. I would love to have you in my YouTube family, and if you do, please leave a comment down below letting me know that Holly sent you. I love getting to know all my subscribers, and I really hope to see you guys there. Bye.
And I also want to say really quickly that if you are here from Ashley's channel, I would absolutely love it if you would hang out, click that subscribe button, and watch my videos as well. I do a ton of cleaning content over here. I do not have fitspiration like Ashley does, but I do a ton of cleaning content. I'm starting to get into more mommy content. I am a stay-at-home mom of 1 little boy who's 3 years old. His name is Holden, and I'm currently 24 weeks pregnant with our 2nd son. So really excited for that. There's going to be lots more mommy content coming up. But without further ado, let's get right on into the video. So I typically like to get started in the kitchen. That's usually where I feel most comfortable, and I also just like to have the kitchen clean at all times because it's kind of like in the middle of our house, and I feel if that area looks clean, the rest of the house just kind of looks cleaner by association. I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but that's kind of how I feel about it. So I typically like to start in the kitchen and make sure that at least that area is good to go. So I had some dishes in here from breakfast and from lunch, so I basically just need to clean off all the countertops, put all the leftover food away, and I think I need to unload the dishwasher. Yeah, you guys will see me unload the dishwasher, and then I'll be reloading it again, and then of course wiping down all the countertops, which is the most satisfying thing in my opinion.
Mystery, I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems that you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind, my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer.
Let me know in the comments down below, what is your more preferred chore? Would you rather unload the dishwasher or load it back up? Both my boyfriend and I hate unloading the dishwasher, and so it's always like, we'll always like try to wait for the other person to do it. 9 times out of 10 it ends up being me, because he doesn't really care if there's dirty dishes in the sink, whereas I do. So I usually end up unloading it, but that is one chore that I do not like.
So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other.
Okay, so we are done with the kitchen. Let's move on into the living room now. So this area wasn't too bad. My son had been playing in here earlier, so he was playing with all his Mr. Potato Head toys. So I had to clean that up. And then you'll see there's like a piece of cardboard there right at the front of the screen that I just picked up. And my boyfriend had made him a little castle out of this huge recliner box that we got. We got a new recliner for our baby. And so my boyfriend took the box and made him a castle out of it. So that had been sitting there for a while too. That ended up leaving. But yeah, it's not too bad in here. I just had to tidy up the toys and then quickly remake the couch because we hang out in here a lot. Pillows always get thrown everywhere. We always have blankets out. So always have to straighten up that area. And then a quick vacuum in here, and that pretty much finishes the living room.
Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be.
Okay, let's move on into my bedroom now. And poor little Priya, I had to move her every single time I come to make my bed. You guys always comment on it, but my cats are always in here just sleeping away, and I come and disturb them, and I always feel so bad, especially when they're like in a deep sleep and I just come and move them. But like, girl, I need to get stuff done. You gotta move.
Baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. Go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, 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 glorious. It could be glorious, 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 glorious.
Okay, so we are now moving into the basement, and as you can see, this area needed a lot of attention. I wasn't sure how long this was going to take. I was actually really happy that I was able to get this done within my hour time frame,
because it was a disaster. Holden had taken out all of his trains and he was setting them up nicely for the first little while, and then I ran upstairs for a few minutes and I came back and he had just dumped them all out into a corner. So I had a ton to pick up here, and yeah, I'm trying to organize because my parents are coming this week to come and stay with us, and our spare bedroom is down here in the basement. So I knew I definitely had to organize in here a little bit and definitely do a big cleanup because this was bad. Guys still with me here? Are any of you cleaning along beside me? Like, do you have me on somewhere and you're listening to me, or are you sitting down watching? I typically love to watch cleaning videos just with my cup of coffee as I'm getting myself prepared for the day and giving me some motivation, but I know tons of people that love to have it on while they're, doing whatever while they're cleaning. I typically like to listen to like podcasts or something like that when I'm actually cleaning, or true crime videos. I definitely love true crime. But let me know in the comments down below, what are you doing as you're watching me right now? For the last chore of the hour, I'm going to be working on folding some laundry. I did want to get into the bathroom and get something cleaned in there, just tidied up a bit, but I definitely feel as though I have gotten quite a bit done, and I was able to finish this load of laundry before my hour ran out as well. So I actually worked really fast, and I'm really proud of what I got done. It definitely helps to time yourself, because when you know you're racing against a clock, something that would normally take you way longer, you end up getting it done in time. It's crazy. I don't know how it works. It's some sort of weird psychology in our brains, but it definitely works.
I always keep on moving on. I left you behind to live my life. I got up on an early Sunday morning to say goodbye. I got up on an early Sunday morning to say goodbye.
Okay guys, so I have 36 seconds left, 34 seconds left. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just gonna be done because basically I'm at the end of a job. So rather than carry on into the bathroom like I wanted to do, I've run out of time. I wanted to finish my bathroom as well, but got quite a bit done. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that I was able to give you some inspiration to get off your butts and get cleaning something in your house. Let me know in the comments down below if I did. Also, once again, please go over and check out Ashley's channel. I would absolutely love it because I think you guys will really enjoy her channel. And if you are coming over from Ashley's channel, please hit that subscribe button and hang out with me more often. I would love to have you. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an awesome day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.